Everything we know about Apple's 2026 iPhone lineup. Apple has barely finished celebrating the launch of the iPhone 17 series, yet the tech world is already buzzing about what comes next. That next chapter is the iPhone 18, expected in 2026, and according to early leaks and insider reports, this could be one of Apple's most important iPhone generations in years. From radical camera upgrades to bold new colors, and even a possible change in Apple's traditional launch schedule, the iPhone 18 lineup is shaping up to be far more than a routine update. So let's break down everything we know so far and what it could mean for Apple's future. Why the iPhone 18 matters more than you think. Apple is approaching a huge milestone. Nearly 20 years since the first iPhone launched in 2007. While Apple continues to dominate smartphone sales in the United States, it still trails Samsung globally and faces intense competition from fast-growing Chinese brands like Xiaomi. This puts a lot of pressure on Apple. The iPhone 18 isn't just another phone. It could be Apple's chance to redefine its image, spark excitement, and prepare users for entirely new form factors, including a rumored foldable iPhone. In short, expectations are extremely high. Expected iPhone 18 models. Current rumors suggest Apple will stick with three main models: iPhone 18, iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max. However, things may not stop there. Reports also mention a second-generation iPhone Air, a possible foldable iPhone, and budget-friendly variants like the iPhone 18e. If all of this happens, Apple could end up offering 6 different iPhone models, giving users more choice than ever before. Design changes, subtle but meaningful. Apple is known for keeping iPhone designs consistent year after year, and the iPhone 18 is expected to follow that philosophy, at least on the surface. Screen sizes are rumored to remain the same, around 6.3 inches for the smaller models, or around 6.9 inches for the Pro Max. However, there may be noticeable refinements. The base iPhone 18 could feature a smaller camera bump. The Pro models are expected to keep a wider camera plateau to support advanced camera hardware. One interesting leak from Chinese social media suggests that the iPhone 18 Pro could introduce a subtle transparent or semi-clear glass finish, something Apple has never officially done before. New color options incoming. Color lovers may have a lot to look forward to. Leaks suggest Apple could introduce burgundy, purple, coffee brown. The brown shade, in particular, sounds unusual for an iPhone, but Apple has surprised us before. If done right, it could give the iPhone 18 Pro a premium, fashion-forward look. The future of the dynamic island. One of the biggest design rumors involves the dynamic island. Multiple reliable sources, including Bloomberg, suggest Apple may shrink or even remove the dynamic island on the iPhone 18 Pro models. By moving Face ID under the display. Reports indicate that Face ID sensors could be hidden beneath the screen. The front camera may shift to a small pinhole in the corner. This could result in one of the cleanest iPhone displays ever. Under-display cameras have existed for years, but image quality has always been a problem. If Apple manages to solve this issue, it could set a new industry standard. Major camera upgrades expected. Camera improvements could be the biggest highlight of the iPhone 18 Pro. According to multiple reports, Apple may introduce a variable aperture camera, similar to professional DSLR and mirrorless cameras. This would allow better control over light intake, improved depth of field, stronger low-light performance. We've seen variable aperture cameras before, but rarely done well. If Apple combines this feature with its image processing expertise, the iPhone 18 Pro could become a serious photography powerhouse. Additionally, telephoto lenses may get faster apertures. All models, except budget variants, could feature 24MP front cameras, though Apple may simplify the camera control button to rely only on pressure sensing. A 20-chip, a big performance leap. The iPhone 18 lineup is expected to run on Apple's A20 chip, built using a new manufacturing approach called wafer-level multi-chip module technology. What does this mean? RAM could be integrated directly with the processor. Faster speeds. Improved efficiency. Better AI and graphics performance. In simple terms, this chip could deliver noticeable real-world improvements in battery life, multitasking, and gaming. Satellite 5G and new modem. Apple is also rumored to introduce its C2 modem offering stronger wireless connectivity, improved power efficiency. Even more exciting is the possibility of full satellite communication support, not just for emergencies, but potentially for calls and messaging in remote areas. If true, this would be a massive step forward for smartphone connectivity. iPhone 18 release timeline. A big change? Apple may finally break its traditional September-only launch strategy. Reports suggest iPhone 18 Pro, Pro Max, and foldable iPhone could launch in fall 2026. A base iPhone 18, iPhone 18e, and iPhone Air may second launch later in February or March 2027. This staggered release approach could help Apple better manage supply and keep iPhones in the spotlight year-round. Final thoughts. While nothing is official yet, the iPhone 18 is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious iPhone generations Apple has ever planned. From under-display Face ID and DSLR-style cameras to powerful new chips and bold design choices, Apple seems ready to take real risks again. The big question is, will the iPhone 18 live up to the hype? Only time will tell, but one thing is clear: 2026 could be a defining year for the iPhone.